Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharina Awari and today it's going to be goat stew. So we are proudly sponsored by Janam Spices. So if you need these spices, just check them out on their website janamspices.com for orders or call their number. It's all on the website. So we start with our meat, put it in the pot, add some onions, chopped onions, garlic and ginger. You may add any other spicings or herbs that you prefer, the spices for your choice. This is just a video to guide you, and add some salt. So let our solution boil after all. So after getting your meat done very well, ready, keep your water aside, the water from the boiled goat's meat. Okay, so put it in the saucepan, fry it till it's golden brown. After frying, you're going to add different other ingredients, including onions, tomatoes. You may add, if you want, garlic again. You may add carrots again. You may do green pepper. So it depends on what you really like. So a major emphasis is on the spices that are going to spice up this stew. We are using cumin seeds in this video. We are using curry powder, and we are also using garam masala. So after all this situation, you can use mochuzi mix, paprika, black pepper, depending on what you want. So add our water that we got from the boiled goat's meat. Okay, add it here. Don't get plain water because we need it spicy. And you can add in fresh herbs to also spice up our stew, because we need it so thick, we need it smelling good, we need it having a unique taste. And serve it here. We served it with posho, but you are free to serve it with anything that you want: rice, matoke, noodles, Irish, anything else. So guys, thank you so much for those who started the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to get notified once I upload a brand new video. Love you all, stay blessed, bye.